To report a message from Rajya Sabha.
A bill seeking to replace the coal blocks allocation ordinance was introduced by Union Power Minister Piyush Goyal in Lok Sabha on Wednesday. The ordinance was brought in the wake of Supreme Court decision cancelling allocation of 204 coal blocks in September this year. Government had promulgated Coal Mines Special Provisions Ordinance 2014 in October. The bill has been brought in to ensure continuity in coal mining so that the coal supplies were maintained. Government also assured the House that it will not lead to denationalization of mines as feared.
The government has come out with an ordinance which does not seek to denationalize the coal mines at all, basically addressing the problems arising out of the Supreme Court judgment, which are of a grave nature. It has also provided for certain enabling provisions and certain amendments which will take care of the interests of small-scale industry, medium industry, and the small consumers of coal in the country in the long run in a transparent and honest fashion.
However, the introduction of the bill was opposed by Trinamool Congress and the left parties. While opposing the move, Trinamool Congress leader Saugata Roy said that it is aimed at denationalization of the coal mines.
For opposing the introductions of the Coal Mines Special Provisions Bill 2014, I oppose its introduction on the ground that it opens the door for denationalization of coal mines, which were nationalized in 1973.
Supreme Court, in a landmark judgment, had cancelled the allocation of 204 coal blocks out of a total of 218 allocated since 1993, calling the entire process as arbitrary and illegal. There were fears that the situation will lead to crisis of coal for various industries and lakhs of employees will be rendered jobless. Therefore, to take proactive action, government introduced the ordinance. The bill will facilitate auctioning of the cancelled coal blocks. Apart from this, the ordinance also allowed private players to mine coal and sell it in the open market. However, the coal ordinance has been opposed by some central trade unions. As the ordinance allows private players to mine coal and sell it in the open market, it has been particularly opposed by the unions. So far, the right to commercial mining has been reserved for Coal India only. The Government of India had earlier announced auctioning an allotment of 74 coal blocks in the first phase of bidding. These blocks have a potential to produce 210 million tons of coal. The auction will be for private sector, while state-owned companies will get mines via allotment. The government has already made it clear that the number of mines a company can bid will be capped to avoid monopoly. With Business Bureau's inputs, Ravi Dhiman's report, TD News.